Make a great choice today with the 2026 Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything from errands to weekend projects. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, 8-way power driver's seat, trailer brake controller. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.